Did you know 3 men once survived being thrown into a furnace heated 7 times hotter than normal? This is the incredible true story from the Bible. King Nebuchadnezzar built a massive golden statue 90 feet tall in ancient Babylon. He commanded everyone to bow down and worship it. But 3 Hebrew men named Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused. The furious king ordered his furnace heated 7 times hotter than usual. It was so hot that the guards who threw the 3 men into the flames died instantly just from getting too close. But something impossible happened. The king looked into the furnace and couldn't believe his eyes. Not only were the 3 men walking around unharmed, but there was a fourth figure with them that looked like a divine being. When they came out, they didn't even smell like smoke. Their hair wasn't singed, their clothes were perfect. This miracle was so powerful that it converted a pagan king. Nebuchadnezzar immediately promoted the 3 men and acknowledged the power of their God throughout his entire empire.